Morning again, YouTube. Saturday, work back on the van. Probably only be a short video this week. It's one of my lads' birthdays tomorrow, so and I was on night, so I've only just got up. It's afternoon time, so feeling a bit crappy, to be fair, to say the least. So carry on trying to do a little bit more of this welding. Let's just have a look. So yeah, bit of surface rust there, patches that we put in last week, if you remember. I'm just going to carry on with that, see how we get on, so we can get this see if we can get this quarter put back on. Just want to say again, thank you for everyone who subscribed this week to the channel. Thanks for joining us. So put a week on, try and put a video on every week of my progress. Thanks for everyone who left a comment last week. To be honest, really appreciate it, really appreciate the comments. And yeah, let's just get some more work done. It's easy to subscribe, guys. Don't forget VW Poly Grey on YouTube. Go down, go onto the home page, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video. As you can see, I post pretty much every week on my progress on my VW T25. So guys, that patch is in there. I don't know whether it comes out very well on camera. To be honest, I'm going to be open and honest, I've been really struggling with this welding. I'm glad it's not structural, it's just panel work. I think if it was anything that was really structural, I would have to pay someone to get it done. Welding's getting better and better, but I am struggling. It's taking me absolutely ages. Like I say, it's only like putting a panel on, so nothing structural or safety concern. I think if it was, I would be getting someone to help me put it on. At the end of the day, what's the worst that can happen? The panel will just drop off on the way around. The panel will just drop off. I think the welds are strong enough to hold it on. They're strong enough, but it just looks a bit of a dog's dinner, doesn't it? So, right then, guys, I'll carry on. Well, that seems a better weld. I'll see what it's like once it's ground off a little bit, but I'm happy with that one. Spent a bit more time cleaning the metal. Slightly better weld. It's on there. Once I grind it back a bit, I'll see how good it is. Bear with me, I'll have a look. Right then, guys, just put that patch in there. I'm much happier with my welding. After this up there, I was getting a bit deflated with myself, but that patch is better. It's strong anyway. It's not perfect, but it's probably the same as all you guys doing your own camper vans up. You're not going to pay everyone to do every single job. You'd be absolutely cost you thousands. So, and it's a reason why we don't go, I guess, and buy shop bought brand new sort of T5s, T6s. We buy the old ones. We get the fun out of actually doing them up and seeing what progress. It's the whole reason I'm posting on YouTube, so I can look back, see what new sort of things I've learnt myself and things to do. I say, never built a camper van before, never done really any of this kind of work before. I'm a painter by trade, as I mentioned in my first couple of videos, so that's my comfort zone. Everything else is not. So, but I'm enjoying having a go, learning new things. I guess that's what life's all about, really, just practice and learning new things. Get a lot of satisfaction out of it in the long run, I think. So let's start this now. What I have learned, take the time doing the patches and make sure they're good, perfect, fit right. But yeah, right then, crack on. Right then, let's try again. So 3 times I've tried to record this end of this video. First time Saturday, I hadn't pressed the record button, so I thought to myself, I'll come around Sunday and just video it again. So I videoed it again and it got no sound. So I don't know what's going on. Not very good with this YouTube malarkey. So I'll show you where I got to Saturday. I'm going to need your guys' help on this, so just bear with me. I'll spin the camera in and I'll show you what I well, I'll show you where I finished off on Saturday. Right then guys, what I was trying to do, because it was only rusty in that section, I thought I'll just make a patch. But as I've been working on it there, I'm probably going to end up having to cut that out as well. But what I was trying to do, see there's a small sort of curve in that panel there. Let's see how good this is going to show. Wrong way, hold on. Bit awkward one-handed. But if you can see, I was going to make a patch there and put the bend in. Obviously, because the metal's only short when I'm trying to bend it, and with only having hand tools, I'm finding it near on impossible to bend the metal into shape. And I'm not going to be able to go out and buy a metal press or whatever just for one piece of metal. And I guess none of you guys are going to either. When we're just doing, if we did that and bought tools for every single job, we'd be absolutely skint. You know. So how do we? How I think I'm going to overcome this? I'll show you, and then let me know in the comments below. I'll probably end up doing it next week, so you've got plenty of time. If I post today on Monday, plenty of time to leave comments on whether you think this is a good idea or a bad idea. You may know. I think I've already mentioned that. Just bear with me just a sec. I think I've already mentioned that there's not many. Oh, there was another patch I'd made. So I made 2 or 3 of this trying to get this right. There's not many videos. There's plenty of people putting these quarters on, but then you know they must have, if they're rusty panels, they must be having a similar issue to what I'm having. So that's how I'm going to bend the metal that way. It's easier to bend by hand, and then I can use that line there and follow that line all the way. Obviously I'm going to have to use a couple of bits of metal, but I'm going to bend, I'm going to put it in like that. Has anyone done this before? Does anyone know if that's the right or wrong way or a good way? So leave it in the comments below, guys. Be much appreciated. And so right then guys, that's me done for this week. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you all next Saturday. Goodbye.